Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm facebyjdevinci. Today's video, I have a clip-in hair extensions. This is like the easiest hairstyle ever, and it's super fast. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's start. So the hair that I'm currently wearing is from AmazingBeautyHairExtensions. Their packaging is so cute. Let me just show it to you guys. This is the packaging. It comes with a comb, some lashes, a few extra bobby clip, hair clip thingies, specs about the hair, how to care for your hair. So that's really cool, especially for beginners. This is human hair, so you can put product in it. Just treat it virtually as if it were your 4C, 4A, 4B, whatever. They have all the different textures. All the specs are gonna be in the description, so be sure to check it out. So here's my braiding pattern. I'm just showing you guys how I'm wearing my hair just in case you want the exact style. So these two are gonna be my leave out, and then I just have straight cornrows. On the side of the box, it tells you the inches. This is an 18-inch, and then I have a 20-inch. So of course I'm gonna start off with the 20-inch. This is how the hair comes out straight of the pack. It's super cute. It's like kinky. I think I'm gonna wear a kinky today. You might be able to get away with one. I'm gonna do some styles with just one, but for now, I wanna do a full head. So the hair just comes wrapped up. We're gonna just unravel it. But to do it, you just unclip the clips, very easy. And then we could just clip it. You're gonna just clip it right in. The first one's on there. We're gonna go on this next one that has 4. And I'm gonna kind of spread them apart. So far we have 2 wefts in our head. So now we're gonna go on with our 18-inch, but this is what we look like so far. It's really cute, very lightweight, low-key. I'm excited. We're gonna put this 4-piece. This is what you call leave out. So let's just put the 2 in there right now. All right, so it's all in her head. This is what it's looking like. Begin combing her hair out a bit. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just take my hair, just entwine it into the curl. I love the versatility because of course if you wanted to have middle bangs, you could just flop the extensions here. You can really virtually put it wherever you want to. You can have a high ponytail. The looks are really endless. I'm definitely going to do a lot more hairstyles with this kinky curly hair, but I just decided this was the perfect way to wear it because it's super cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. I didn't cut it, didn't do anything. This is what we're looking like. So the longest bundle is a 20-inch. 20-inch touches here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Only, and that's a lesson.